Hi, my name is Balaji TR. I'm from Chennai, India, and I'm recording this on 30/5/2024. So my project name is Spaceflight Events CLI. It's a command line tool that fetches you the space flight event data and presents it in a tablet form. It uses a public API called a Space API. It contains various rocket launch events, space events, and crew flight events. You can check the documentation. And this is the events API that I used to fetch the various space events. These are the various parameters for the API. So the various features of my project are: it displays flight events in a tablet format. You can navigate through easily through using arrow keys. You can filter through various events by specific date range, or you can fetch the event for today. And the requirements for this are Python 3.6 plus request panda and tablet library. It also uses cursors. If you are a Windows user, you might have to install this. These are the file description. The project.py is the main file that you need to run. Gateway later and tools are supporting files for that. The design choices, I use cursors library because it's simple, it's a text-based interface and provides interactive and you can interact with keystrokes. I use a tablet so that for better readability and displaying into tables. These are the feature enhancements, and these are the project files, as you can see here. These three are the project files, and this is the license file, and these are the text for this project here. And we can run the project by simply typing there are various ways we can run the project. If you run it defaultly, it will run the project with dates starting from 15 days prior to the current date to 50 days after today. And as you can see, it shows various space events. You can go through it using arrow keys. As you can see, there are various columns displaying various data, and there are links. If you want to follow the link, you can just click through it, and it works. If you want to go to the next page, if you're not finding your required event, and if you want to go to the next page, you simply click N, and it will take you to the next page. If exists, since there is no events, it says we have reached the end. If you want to go back, simply click P, and it goes to the previous page. And if you want to quit it, just click Q, and you will be exit the application. And let's say if I want to see the events of today, I'll simply use T flag, and this will run. So it seems there are no events today, so we'll go back, we'll quit the application, and we'll run with a custom date. I'm using 22 to 2022 to 22 to 4 2022. I click run, and I can see it takes a second to get the API call. So as you can see, there are various data here. We can go through it in a similar way. We can navigate through it, and if we want to go to the next page, simply click N, and we'll go to the next page. It same place because every time we get next page or previous page, it will run the API call again in order to fetch the data. So I'm clicking next again, so we'll get the next page, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, if I want to go to the previous page, I can simply put P, and it goes like this. We can view various events. You can also resize the windows. As you can see, if the window size is too small, it says please expand the window, and it adjusts accordingly. If I make it too small, it automatically exits. See, it automatically exits. And one more thing, if we put a wrong date to it, it shows please enter a valid date in the format DDMMYYY. As you can see, this is not a leap year, and so it's asking. So that's all for my project. Thank you.